Good morning, students. We are going to start Unit 2 with a new chapter, Flower. And today I am giving you some important definitions from this chapter. And then we will move on to the structure of flower, which is an important topic. Okay. So, starting up with the chapter, first of all, you should know that flowers are of two types. Flowers are of two types. First is complete flower and second is incomplete flower. Complete flower. Complete flower is a flower in which all floral parts are present in it. Generally, the main four parts of flower are sepals, petals, male part of the flower and female part of the flower. So these are the main four part of the flower. Okay, so in floral part, sepals, petals, male part and female parts are present. So when in complete flower all the four whorls are present, but in which one or two whorls are missing, then that type of flower is called as a incomplete flower. Means incomplete flower all the whorls are, all the main four parts are present, but in incomplete flower maybe any one part of the flower is missing. So if these four parts are present in the flower are called complete flower, and if any one part is missing, called incomplete flower. Next definition is perianth. What is perianth? A condition of a flower where petal and sepals are undifferentiated. Undifferentiated means they are fused together or they can be seen as one structure. Yes, perianth. Okay, when the petals and sepals are fused together and they seen as a one structure is perianth. So this is a perianth. And fourth is petaloid. Petaloid is a non-green perianth. Which perianth is generally green color. It's very difficult to find out which is petal and which is sepals. It's difficult to differentiate. So as you know, the definition of perianth is a condition where petals and sepals are undifferentiated. And in petaloids is a non-green perianth. Generally, perianth is green in color. Generally, क्या होता है? Perianth is green in color. But petaloids can be of different color. Maybe red, orange, and can be of different colors of flower, and then it is called as a petaloid. Next is bracts. What are bracts? Bracts, just like in bougainvillea, as seen. Okay, na? This is a bract. This is a bract. When the sepals are colorful and appear to be petals. When the sepals are colorful and appear to be petals are called as a bracts. Just like in bougainvillea. So bract is beautiful pink color in which flower is present in the center. So this is a bract and flower is present in the center. See, these definitions are very important and come as 1 marks, or in the form name the following or define the following. So these definitions are very, very important. Next definition is nectaries. Nectaries are small glands present at the base of flowers. Suppose this is a flower. So this is a nectaries. This is a nectaries. So nectaries are present at the base of flower, and nectaries contain nectar. Nectaries contain nectar. Now what is nectar? Basically, nectar is a sweet juice of flower, sticky, sugary substance that is summed up by the bees to make honey. So that is known as a nectar. And these nectaries are the gland which are present at the base of the flower that contains nectar. So nectaries are very important factor to attract the insect. Okay. So nectaries are the gland which are present at the base of the flower that contains nectar, and nectaries are very important factor to attract the insect. Next definition is staminate flower. Staminate flower. Staminate means stamen से बनता है stamen. Stamen is the male part of the flower. So staminate flower is a flower where male part of the flower is present in it and female part is absent. Male part is present and female part is absent is called as staminate flower. And pistillate flower. Pistillate flower, a flower which have female part present in it and the male part is absent, is pistillate flower. Just opposite of staminate flower. It's a pistillate. Pistil किससे बनता है? It's a female part. So when the female part is present, is a pistillate flower. When the male part is present, then it's a staminate flower. Last is what is neuter flower? Neuter flower, a flower which have neuter is a flower which does not have reproductive part present in it, is known as a neuter flower, which does not have reproductive part. So neuter flower in which reproductive part is absent. So there are different definitions. These are the important definitions in this chapters, and tomorrow I'll explain you about the structure of bisexual flower.